In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete sticker albums fast in Monopoly Go. The excitement of collecting and completing sticker albums adds a thrilling layer to Monopoly Go, and today we're diving deep into strategies that will help you do just that, quickly and efficiently. Let's start by discussing the importance of active gameplay and event participation. One of the keys to completing a sticker album quickly is to regularly engage in daily tasks and events. By focusing on quick wins and tasks, you can earn valuable sticker packs and work towards larger rewards, such as guaranteed purple packs after a week of consistent play. These purple packs can be a game changer, providing rare stickers that bring you closer to completing your album. Next, let's talk about strategic gameplay during specific events. Participating in events that offer sticker packs as rewards can exponentially increase your sticker collection. Pay special attention to the sticker boom events. During these times, unleash your saved up dice and maximize high multiplier rolls to gather as many stickers as possible. These events are the best opportunity to make significant progress in your album. Now, don't forget about the simple but effective strategy of opening your free gifts. Make it a habit to grab the free gift available every 8 hours. These gifts often contain free dice and sometimes even stickers, helping you steadily increase your resources without spending any extra effort. Resource management is crucial in this game, especially when it comes to your dice and cash reserves. Instead of constantly spending your dice, especially on low value rolls, consider hoarding them for the right moment. Managing your multipliers wisely is key. Avoid using high multipliers continuously, as this will deplete your dice quickly. Instead, think strategically about when to increase your multiplier to get the most out of your dice. Another tip is leveraging your vault effectively. Save your stickers until you've accumulated enough stars to unlock higher level vaults that offer rare and valuable stickers. This kind of strategic saving can help you collect those elusive last pieces to complete your album. Finally, building a community through sticker trading can significantly expedite your progress. Trading duplicates for needed stickers is one of the most effective ways to fill in the gaps in your collection. Joining groups, whether on social media platforms like Facebook or Reddit, can connect you with reliable trading partners. Make sure to communicate well and arrange trades through direct messages to avoid scams and secure the best possible deals. By combining these strategies, you'll find yourself completing sticker albums in Monopoly Go faster than ever before. Whether it's maximizing event participation, smart resource management, or engaging in strategic trades, each approach contributes to your overall success. Happy collecting and enjoy the thrill of completing those albums.